afternoon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Asin Irfani. You can call me Asin. I am from Technical Department Charlie. I'm standing here in the presentation for four-stroke diesel engine. What do you four-stroke diesel engine? For diesel engine in one make power, the 4 rotation piston and 2 rotation crankshaft. Let's go the step in four-stroke diesel engine. First, intake valve. Intake piston move down the cylinder plug from top dead center to bottom dead center. Intake valve is open and exhaust valve is closed. Downward piston motion, the crash air vacuum, negative air pressure, that's air and fuel mixture. The engine via intake valve is open. And first compression stroke. Piston move up cylinder plug from bottom dead center to top dead center. Intake valve is closed and exhaust is closed. Down up piston motion, the compression air and fuel mixture, the compression chamber. And third stroke. At the end of compression stroke, the spark plug for the air and fuel mixture, this ignition and explosion for the piston breakdown, the rotaries and crankshaft propelling and vehicle forward. Piston, the intake valve is closed and exhaust is closed. Piston move down the cylinder plug from top dead center to bottom dead center. The last press exhaust is low. Piston move up the cylinder plug from bottom dead center to top dead center. Intake valve is closed and exhaust is open. The final stroke flash, the speed gas and exhaust on the cylinder. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.